The Book Urgent Appointment option is for those matters that cannot wait. Please note, there are a limited number of same-day appointments available via this method, meaning you aren't guaranteed an urgent appointment slot via this method, but do not worry. If there are no urgent slots available, you will be given contact information for other methods of handling your urgent clinical need. These include the ability to call your practice, call NHS 111, or information regarding local urgent treatment centres. If you feel you require an urgent appointment with a GP, open AskFirst and open the Book Urgent Appointment section. The first thing is to ensure this isn't a medical emergency, so answer this first question and select none of these if none of these apply to you. Complete the coronavirus checks and you'll then be asked to describe your symptoms. AskFirst Urgent Appointment Booking has an inbuilt symptom checker, which will ask you approximately 15 clinically safe questions which are specific to your symptoms. Following NICE accredited NHS clinical pathways, your responses to these questions will give you an outcome directing you to the most appropriate care service. This could be an appointment with your GP, self-care advice, or a referral to another service such as A&E, mental health services, and many more. Given your response to these questions, the inbuilt symptom checker will be able to gauge the urgency of your problem and book you directly into an appointment slot where necessary. It's important you answer all of these questions as best you can. Once you've answered enough questions for a clinical decision to be made, you'll then be able to book an appointment, view self-care advice, or receive information of the onward referral. In this example, the outcome is to see a clinician. Click I understand and you'll be shown the available appointments. Choose your preferred date and time from the list. Choose whether you need an interpreter and what you hope for from the appointment. Then leave a contact number and your appointment is now booked.